Hey Image Design, this is Miss Olson, and I'm going to show you how to do the project or the practice for Unit 4. In this practice, we're going to learn how to use the crop tool and the colors menu to add some color to our picture. So go to File, Open, and click on the tomatoes.jpg image in your Unit 4 folder for image design. Once this is open, we are going to crop it. Cropping is where you cut off a piece of a picture. And the crop tool looks like two angles that are overlapping to make a square. If you hover over it, it says crop tool. Click on that button and then draw a box around the part of the image that you want to keep. The part that you don't want to keep will be in dark gray. You can change the shape of the box if you don't like it by clicking on one of the corners or on one of the edges. So resize this to a point where you are comfortable. And when you like the look of what you have, click in the center. So draw a box, resize it accordingly, click on the center, and that's how you crop. If you messed up, you can click Edit, Undo, and retry. Okay, so I have my crop. Next, I'm going to add some color. Before I can add color, I need to remove the color that already exists. And you can do that pretty easily. Click on the Colors menu and scroll down about below halfway until you find the Desaturate option. You'll have a secondary list and click on the Desaturate again. So Colors, Desaturate, Desaturate. This will turn your tomatoes black and white. A little window will pop open, and this gives you a few different options for how it will desaturate. So click through until you find one that you like the look of. I actually like the look of this bottom one. Once I've got that done, I click OK to finalize it. So now I have my tomatoes. They're black and white. And now I can add some color. Click on your Colors menu again. And then find the Colorize option. A new window will pop open, and it has a few different slider bars. We have Hue, Saturation, and Lightness. Hue is the color itself, so is it red, blue, green, what is it? If you slide it around, you can pick different colors. I think your lesson asks for green. Saturation changes how intense the color is, so if you bring it down, it turns gray. If you bring it up, it turns brighter. So find a saturation that you enjoy. And then the lightness controls how light or dark it is. So you can make it darker or you can make it brighter. Once you're happy with the color, click OK. And then you have your tomatoes. Export this as tomatoes _ your name. Whatever your name is. Don't give me a file that says actually your name. Give me your name, yours, the one who's watching this. And turn that in as a JPEG. For the second part of the assignment, you are going to do a few different things. I'm just going to show you the GIMP portion, so you still need to answer the questions in the Word document. Click File, Open, and this time open the strawberries. So for this one, you are going to crop it, and you need to crop it in a specific way. So I'm not going to show you what to do because you're going to have to show me. And then you are also going to have to circle an area of focus. When you get to that part of the assignment, you can use the paintbrush, which looks like a little tiny paintbrush. And you can just leave it as black in whatever size it normally is. And then you can make it work just by clicking over and dragging it around. And mine is not currently drawing. So what's happening here? There we go. So you'll grab the paintbrush, choose a color. Black again is okay by default. If it's not drawing, you can change your brush if you click on this little area right here. and then just select the first dot. That's about three things in. And then if you draw on the canvas, click and drag, it'll draw a line. You need to grab that and circle something. I don't know what, you have to tell me. So that's how you do that. Once you've circled it and cropped it, you'll answer a few questions in your assignment and you'll turn that in. Save this one as strawberries_your name and turn in both images. If you have any questions, let me know.